soya chunk, potato coconut milk rice, or potato soya chunk coconut milk rice. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the fried rice recipes and one of the most different of the potato recipes. Today we are going to make soya chunk potato coconut milk rice. The ingredients are 150 grams of soya chunk, 1 onion cut into pieces, 2 medium-sized potatoes peeled and cut into pieces, 25 grams of garlic, 25 grams of ginger, 5 shallots, 1 tomato cut into pieces. Heat the pan with, after taking 300 ml of water, let the water boil, put in half a spoon of salt, put in the soya chunk pieces, and let it cook for 10 minutes in boiling water. Now take the soya chunks from the boiling water after the required amount of time and let it cool. Drain off the water, let it cool. Now squeeze out the water which is excess from the soya chunks which we have taken out from the water and keep it aside. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Spread the oil in the pan. Put in the onion pieces. Until the onion pieces turn to pinkish color. Put in the shallots. Slowly mix the shallots, and onion, garlic, ginger. Sauteing. Put in 2 spoons of mixture spices. Mix thoroughly. And keep on sauteing, mixing. Mix until the spices are nicely cooperated into the chef ingredients. Put in the garlic. Salt. Saute this thoroughly. Keep on sauteing. Put in the soya chunk pieces. Salt and mix. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. Potato piece. Thoroughly saute and mix the potato pieces and the soya chunk pieces. The rest of the mixture. Put in the tomato pieces. Mix thoroughly. salt to taste. Mix in the salt. Put in onion. Mix thoroughly. And salt till the water is evaporated. Now pour in 250 to 300 ml of coconut milk. Mix thoroughly and let the mixture cook for 5 minutes if in the pressure cooker, or 15 minutes if in an open pan. After cooking for the required amount of time, put in a cup of washed and soaked rice. Mix thoroughly mix and let the mixture cook for another 5 minutes if in the pressure cooker, or 15 minutes if in an open pan. Now the potato soya chunk coconut milk rice is ready. Can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final potato soya chunk coconut milk rice. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most unique of the veg recipes, and one of the most nutritious of the soya chunk recipes, and one of the most easiest to make of the fried rice recipes, one of the most tastiest of the potato recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.